Hey English learners, how have you been? I hope you are having an amazing day. And I am so excited to English speaking practice with you. As you know, today is day 6 of my English fluency test. And each day I select a different topic and talk about it. Today I want to talk about that thing which impact our life, our daily life, our use. Well, I want to talk about impact of social media on our daily life. The social media had some advantage, also some disadvantage. I am talking about both. First, I want to talk about the advantage of social media. So if you are also learning English and want to speak, you can speak about this topic with me. So yeah, let's start. So yeah, the first advantage or a huge advantage of social media is it connects us globally. Yes, if we want to know anything about the world, we it just one click away from us. We just have to search on it online and we get all information about it just by one click. So, yeah, if we want to connect with our friends, our family, and our close ones, we just connect with them, we just talk with them one single click. So, yeah, this is a use and great benefit of social media. I wasted at least 30 to 40 minutes in a particular app. And sometime what happened, if I open a app and I have to search something there, but and when I open the app, a short reel or anything pop up on my home page, I just watch it. What I do after that, I just scroll it and watch another and another, and this goes continue. And I forgot my purpose why I have opened this app. You know, this happens. It happens with me many times. But I get a solution for it. I find a solution for it, or I found a solution for it. What I did, I just, you know, I take a reminder all on app. I take or I turn on reminder on all app. First, the major app which I use is the you know the app which I mostly use is YouTube. So what I did, I take remind. I don't know the right word, but I check it later. Let me continue my speak. I put reminder for short video, also the long one. For short video, I keep reminder for 30 minutes, and for long video I keep reminder for 40 minutes. Whenever the 30 minutes over, my phone shows a notification your today's limit is over. I just what I did, I immediately close the app and take rest. So yeah, this simple change save my lot of time. So I did this for all apps. The apps which provide this thing, I do it. So yeah, and also now the another thing which I do, whenever I open a app and I have to search something, I just keep in my mind whatever so in my home page or on my home page, whatever so on my home page, I don't watch it. I just search that thing which I have to search. So I go open search bar and search that particular thing and watch or read whatever I want to know. This also save my you know this also save my time. So, yeah, this is how I am taking benefits of social media without wasting my time on it. Is this happens with you whenever you open any app and you have to search something but you forgot and you just start scrolling? If it's happened with you, just type yes or why in the comment section. Also, please give me your support by liking this video, and thank you so much for watching. This is all about my day 6. I will be right back with day 7. Keep practicing, keep growing, and all the best for your journey. See you soon.